For the last couple weeks, I've been talking about getting out of a creative rut by trying new things. Today's tip is a multi-shot portrait technique called the Brenizer method. We already know that if you use a longer lens at a wide open aperture, your background is going to go out of focus. It's a great way to bring all the attention to your subject, like I'm doing here with Brooke today in Central Park. But what if I want to shoot wider and show the expanse of the park? I can back up and shoot at the same focal length and aperture, or I can use a fast wide-angle prime. But since I backed up, the foreground and background aren't as out of focus as they were. I want the look you can get from a medium format camera, which can give you a very shallow focus depth even with a wide field of view. So there's a type of image called a bokeh panorama, sometimes referred to as the Brenizer method after photographer Ryan Brenizer, who made this old school technique popular again. I'm going to get nice and tight with the 85 wide open at 1.4 to get the good foreground and background I want, and then I'm going to shoot images in all different directions to get multiple overlapping photos that cover a much wider area than I would originally see from this lens perspective. Now, like all stitched images, you want to shoot on manual exposure and manual focus so it looks like one image after you've stitched it all together. I've asked Brooke to stay as still as possible, but I still need to work fast, at least on the frames that have her in them, so I don't have any stitching problems when putting her back together in the computer. You can do this with 10 images or 100. Obviously, just play around and come up with your own artistic spin on this. Then I'll just use stitching software like Photoshop's Photo Merge. The computer usually does a pretty good job putting the images together, giving me a wide-angle, medium format look with my DSLR. I hope you've been inspired the last few weeks to try some new techniques and get creative. I'll be back next episode with some new photo tips, so make sure to subscribe to Adorama's YouTube channel and follow me on social media at David Bergman. Catch you next time.